Naritong muli ang inyong teacher She para sa ating bagong lesson. Our lesson for the day is about recognizing the use of a and an plus noun. Some words are long, some are small, but even if they are small words, they play an important role in the English language. May mahaba at maiksing salita, ngunit kahit ito ay maiksi lamang, meron itong mahalagang tungkulin sa pagbuo ng mga salita sa wikang Ingles. Articles is a small word with a very important job. Maiksing salita na may mahalagang tungkulin. It is a special kind of adjectives. Ito ay isang espesyal na uri ng pang-uri. They give information about nouns. Nagbibigay ito ng kaalaman tungkol sa pangalan. A and an are articles. These words are always used with nouns. Ang mga ito ay palaging ginagamit sa pangalan. If the nouns begin with a consonant sound, use a. Kapag ang pangalan ay nagsisimula sa katinig, gamitin ang a. Examples: a boy. Boy is a noun that starts with a consonant B. That's why we're going to use a. A boy. A tiger. Tiger is a noun that starts with a consonant T. That's why we're going to use a tiger. A house. Ang house ay pangalan na nagsisimula sa katinig na H, kaya ang gagamitin natin ay a house. A parrot. Ang parrot ay isang pangalan nagsisimula sa katinig na P, kaya ang gagamitin natin ay a parrot. If the nouns begin with a vowel sound, use an. Kapag ang pangalan ay nagsisimula sa patinig, gamitin ang an. Examples: an orange. Orange is a noun that starts with a vowel O. That's why we're going to use an orange. An umbrella. Umbrella is a noun that starts with a vowel U. That's why we're going to use an umbrella. An ant. Ang ant ay pangalan na nagsisimula sa patinig na a, kaya ang gagamitin natin ay an ant. An ice cream. Ang ice cream ay isang pangalan na nagsisimula sa patinig na I, kaya ang gagamitin natin ay an ice cream. Great! Awesome! Fantastic! Good job! Kids, remember this. Use a or an only with singular nouns. Singular means only one. Examples: a vase means one vase. A big balloon means one big balloon. An electric fan means one electric fan. An old woman means one old woman. Use a or an before the following words. Perfect!